Deep chamber vacuum packaging machine. Connect the nitrogen pipe to the machine. Set the vacuum time using the digital control panel. Designed with a deep chamber to accommodate bulkier or larger items for vacuum sealing. Provides strong and consistent vacuum pressure for extended product shelf life. Spacious and sealed chamber is suitable for a wide range of products. Take a product-filled pouch. Place the pouch inside the chamber and properly align its open end on the sealing bar. Take another product-filled pouch. Place this pouch on the other side of the sealing bar, properly aligning its open end. Close the chamber lid of the machine. Open the chamber lid. Packaging of both pouches is securely completed. Made from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use and easy cleaning. Now, the products are ready for dispatch.